So this 2003 BMW 330 is a pretty nice drop top. It's got a great stance, some nice VMR wheels. It's a pretty nice car. It's fun to drive. We just got done putting a new clutch in it, along with a new short shifter and a Magnaflow stainless steel exhaust. The Magnaflow system looks great, it fits great, the installation was a breeze, the stainless steel system will hold up for years to come. This car really is a pleasure to drive. It's got a great stance, it's pretty aggressive as far as its lowered stance is concerned, but it's still enjoyable to drive, and it still goes on and off our alignment rack without any issues, so no big deal. So I thought you guys might want to hear what this new Magnaflow exhaust system sounds like. So here's a few revs of it at 2,500, 4,000, and 5,000 RPM. Those are 2,500 RPM revs. RPM revs. Last two are 5,000 RPM revs. I think it sounds good. Pretty sure the customer's going to think it sounds good. So with all that said, we hope you enjoyed this little bit on the exhaust we installed on this 2003 BMW. Thank you for watching. Click like, subscribe to our channel. As always, we love hearing comments from you guys. We're happy to respond whenever we see you guys post up. At any rate, it's 30 degrees outside. It's cold. I'm going back inside. I got other work to do. You guys have a great day. We'll see you later.